Silan. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, freak. Hello guys, today we'll be checking out the performance of Adele Nicole Yu from Cotabato and Davao. She actually joined The Clash and bagong season to ng The Clash guys, which is really hard kasi maraming mga Clash backers na pinatawag from the past seasons and bakbakan ng malala. Si Adele Nicole Yu isa sa mga strong contenders dito. Before this, she was also on the TNT Grand Rest Back. So ganito siya kalagari and natutuwa ako dahil maraming nag-request sa akin na react siya. Actually, I know her personally. She's one of my closest friends. And right now, we'll be reacting to her performance and I don't know the song pa. So, eto guys, panoorin natin. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ay, In Your Eyes yung song.
I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love's just like a thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. I can see my dreams reflections in your eyes. Find the answers to my questions in your eyes.
Nice build up.
I can see the reasons why us alive in your eyes. We're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally
Silan.
to love you.
Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, freak.
I can see the
Nakakaiyak. Hit that note. F sharp 5.
We're drifting safely back.
Emotional siya.
I think I finally learned to love you.
Oh my gosh! Yung storytelling niya, alam niyo guys, may resolution siya. Like, nag-change yung mood niya sa dulo na parang napa-smile siya. I like it. Grabe, Adele, you are a silent killer. Like, alam mo yun, yung demeanor mo dito, sobrang kalmado, pero yung boses nanlalamon, halimaw na kalmado, san ka pa? I'm so happy na ito yung kinanta mo na song. And I am 1,000% sure na hindi mo pa pinakita lahat dahil, syempre, kailangan mong strategize dito. Pero so far, this is really good and umabot ka ng F sharp 5. I know you can go higher than that, pero that was already up there. Regine Velasquez level talaga. Naiyak ako dun sa part na talagang lumipad na yung boses mo. Talagang it was your comfort space. That was really awesome and I'm sure marami ang nagustuhan ng performance mo. So congrats sa iyo and I'm looking forward to see more videos of you on this show sa The Clash dahil for sure nakapasok ka dito sa round na to. Maraming salamat guys and see you again next time. Bye!